This is the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT. The Xiaomi Poco X4 GT has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display. Its display has support for a 144Hz refresh rate HDR10 and Dolby Vision. It also has a display resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels with 650 nits of peak brightness. But you can't use this phone under direct sunlight. On the rear, the phone has a vertical camera module that is home to 3 camera sensors. The front design has a punch hole that houses the front camera, and the front screen is also flat, but the rear panel is slightly curved. The design of the Poco X4 GT is simple and looks really beautiful. It has a very fast refresh rate, but the colors from the screen are not that colorful. The AMOLED display of the Poco F4 is more colorful. The chipset inside the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT is the MediaTek Dimensity 8100. This chipset is built on a 5nm process node technology and has a maximum CPU frequency of 2.85 GHz. The CPU is paired with the ARM Mali G610MC6 GPU. THS GPU can play graphics-intensive games with ease, and you also get a download speed of up to 7 Gbps. When playing games with the Poco X4 GT, the device did not get hot. Using the Poco X4 GT, you can play games using the highest graphics settings without issues. The camera setup of the Poco X4 GT is 64MP primary camera, 8MP ultrawide lens, 2MP macro lens, and a 20MP front camera. The camera of the Poco X4 GT can take decent photos. The Poco X4 GT comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, or 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. It has no space for storage expansion via a microSD card slot, so you can't expand the storage. As per software, the Poco X4 GT boots MIUI 13 for Poco based on Android 12 out of the box. Xiaomi has promised 2 years of major software updates and 3 years of monthly security patches for this phone. The X4 GT is powered by a 5080 mAh battery with support for a 67 watts fast charge. You can charge this phone from 0 to 100% in about 45 minutes. You can use this device for a full day and still have some battery left. The features you won't enjoy most in this device are the limited camera features and the IPS LCD panel. But the Xiaomi Poco X4 GT is one of the best budget gaming smartphones you can buy in 2022. This is because it features a very powerful chipset, big battery, fast refresh rate, 3.5mm headphone jack, fast charging solution, and is affordable. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more.